Welcome back. We've got some special guests in studio this morning from Miami, Oklahoma, here to talk about a performance that just happened over the weekend. And I kind of almost want to call it a historic performance too, because it's been a while. Thank you for joining us. We have the Miami High School choir director Amanda Ford and Lily Kitchler, who played Sally Brown in You're a Good Man, Charlie Brown, and of course, Charlie Brown himself, Alex Long. Thank you guys for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
And why I said this is kind of historic, it's been several years since the high school has done a musical performance. And how did it go, I guess? Let's start with that.
It went good. I mean, it was a lot of fun doing something like that because I always wanted to do something like that, and so getting to do it was a lot of fun, and the people made it a lot of fun, like being around everybody. Everybody was really nice.
Now, Lily, you're a senior this year, I understand. You have a little bit of a background in theater already, but like you said, this was your first with the school. Tell me a little bit about what you've done in the past.
I did Peter Pan with the community theater a couple years ago, and when I was little, my church did a lot of church plays, so I did a lot of that with them, and I sung and I danced. And I've always loved to sing and dance, so it's been a lot of fun.
And Alex, I know you mentioned that this was your first production, so hopefully we'll keep you going to come back and do more and more. Lily, was it a little bit of a challenge, working at the school, as the first production? There were a lot of first-timers, I'm sure. And so how was that, and as a senior?
It was a lot of fun. I mean, my little sister did it with me, so there was
people that I knew, and then I got to meet a lot of new people, and we all just kind of figured it out together and worked together to get it to where it was at.
Awesome. Now, Amanda, I mentioned this, it's been 8 years
Yes.
since the school has had a musical performance. What did it take to bring it back?
Well, it took the whole community really coming together and joining forces. I was one of the directors, as I said, Chris-Ann Lamb, who's the junior high choir director, and Kaylee Miller, who is the speech and drama director. We all came together and we worked together to have the rehearsals, have the auditions. We also had our industrial technology department. Mr. Mark Preston is the instructor there, and Don Hill and our arts department. They all worked together. It also took our principals being on board and our administration. Even one of our principals, Pam Bevis, a shout out to her because she was in the play. So it was just an amazing effort on everyone's part. Our wonderful superintendent found funding through our Enrichment Foundation, and so we were able to have the funds for that. And even the community reached out with the Miami Arts and Humanities Council. They helped fund us as well. So it took everybody working together.
Is this something that you want to try to do on a yearly basis at the school?
Absolutely. We're looking at a couple of options for next year. We want it to be something that's popular, that's very familiar to the students, so that they can get involved as well.
One last question. This is kind of a school year-long production type thing, because auditions were back in August, weren't they?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Well, anything else you'd like to add, or?
We're just thankful for the opportunity. We ask that the community get involved, and one way you can do that is by parents allow your students, your children, to get involved with musical theater, and also you can donate at our Miami Enrichment Foundation, the Barbara Smith Speech and Debate and Drama Fund at mpsef.com/speech.
All right. We'll put that information on our website later this
Wonderful.
morning as well.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys for coming in. I don't have to tell you to break a leg because the performance is ended, so congratulations.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.